welcome back to Fun with Nene, and here I'm going to show you goopy slime, and you get them from WH Smith's, and this is goopy and very ill, very watery, and it's just really watery. It doesn't stick to the table, it bounces like very high. And it's stretchy, and it breaks though. It's like putty but just watery. And my favourite part is when you can play catch with it. And you can and it farts too. Look, but first I'm gonna show you. It can go like this. Look. But it can also fart. Wrong way. And now I'm going to show you these Orbeez. I'm going to give you, I'm going to do a giveaway. And they're Orbeez. And this one's super rare and this one's just rare, the same. But I'm going to open one and give away one. But it's for whoever subscribes to my channel and comments. I got it. Oh, finally. And it comes with a little key. Oh, don't forget, I got it from Sainsbury's. So, so this is just little things that we got. So, these are all the collections. Very long. So, this one this side. And some of this side. Oh, one more there. And some all these. And it comes with a little key, pink key. And I'm just going to start opening it. Whoa! And you guys, whoever gets this, it's just amazing. Amazing. And we got... I don't think it opens. Oh, I think the key needs to go in. That should do the trick. Otherwise, why did we even get it? There we go. Ew, it's watery. Oh, I got it. And we got, let's see what we had. I don't see what we got. This is it now. Don't know what we got.
Yeah. Do you need help now?
Yeah.
What do you need help with?
To open this. What do we do? Wow.
So, how would you open it? Because I don't have the experience.
Aha!
Oh, this?
Yes. Oh, I know. Aha! Found it! We got this girl! Woo! 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 And here's the Orbeez. They bounce. Look. That's fun. And what did we get? Aha! Found her. On the other side. We got blush. And she's very smart and loves to hang out with friends. And I wonder what we get in here. Well, we're not going to open it. Ew, it's very... Ooh. We're going to put it back inside. There we go. Blush. She blushes too. And this is my favourite part. Anyway, sorry to do this on our table. Move these things out the way. We're going to need this key, so we're going to have to keep it very safe. This is it.
Yeah.
Slime time.
Oh, God.
Back. We're just going to be making slime. And here we've got clear glue, water and activator. So let's go, and we get this from Sainsbury's. We're gonna pour in the glue first. We get little sticks. Oh, and how much you need? 15
Mills.
And you need to get how much as you can out as possible. That's how much I can get out. And now we're gonna be pulling in the water, and there's 25 mils. And now the activator. And that's 5 mils.
The pink.
The pink. This spoon. Different. Pink paint. And you can, I want to add pink, but you guys can add blue or green, and it's 5 mils. You pour it into the spoon. Come on, glue, come on, come on. Half the thing. You pour in half the thing if you want it lighter. And you pull it in. And then you put the activator in. No, you mix. I might put it somewhere on the paint. Now we need the activator. 5 mils. And now we're going to mix again. And it's turning into slime, as you can see. Very stretchy. And it's very good. It's actually working out. It's like this slime, but more like stretchy and stickier. Put it all in together. And now I'm going to mix with my hands. Very good. Ew, that's sticky. Oh my. That's 2 bowls. Oh my girl. Oh. We're gonna get it out onto the table and keep on playing with it until it turns into slime. It's very stretchy, I must say. And you can make a bubble with it and you can stretch it. And this is very good, and you can, and it's very playful. It's still not mixed, but you need to keep on playing with it. We might need more activator because it's not really stretchy because it breaks. So I might put it back in the bowl and do 5 mils of activator. And I like this slime other than all of them, and then this my second, and this my third. A giveaway of this Orbeez, and all you have to do is comment down below and subscribe. Now we're going to be making blue slime because we've already made the pink slime here. Very good. You should get these. And first we're going to be scooping in the blue colouring. And for this one, we're going to be adding half of the glitter. That's a big chunk. And now we're going to be mixing. Now we're going to be pouring in the glitter, half of it. Mix. Ooh! Activator now. We might need more glitter though. Now the activator. Then mix. Again. This is turning into slime too. It's good. And by the way, guys, we're going to be making the green slime next. Now we're going to be pouring it out, playing with it with our hands. It's very sticky when you mix it though. Just like the pink one over here. We need to take as much of it out as we can though. And add it into the bowl. It's coming together. And I love the pink one best. Because my pink's my favourite colour, guys. And at the end, we're going to be mixing it all together. All of the slime. This slime, this slime, this slime, this slime. Oh, it's not slime yet, that one. So now I'm going to be putting it into the bowl. Thank you. Okay, anyway. Put it into the bowl. Whoop. It does stick to your hand. So these are the two slimes I've made, and the pink one pokes. Look. And the blue one. The blue one needs to rest for a minute. Oh no. Anyway. Now we're gonna do the green slime, and I've just put to starting clear glue and water. So now we're going to mix it very well. Done that. Oh, yeah. This is a very long video, just saying, for those who like my channel. Now we're going to mix Mix, now activator. Because without the activator, it can't live. Because 5 mils. Right? That way. All that time I was doing it the wrong way. Sorry, 5 mils. And you need 5 mils, just to remind you guys. Can't find it. Must be somewhere. Right, there it is, there. That's enough. 5 mils. What? We have to make another green slime because the other one we actually added too much activator. So now I've got a bit of the pink slime on me. We're going to add activator. Ooh, the activator actually helps it. So we have for this. Whoop! I'm surprised the activator actually helps it because it ran it. Mad news. Because this one stretches. What are you doing, Mum? And it's sticky. Get off the spoon. Get off the spoon now. So now we're going to mix with our hands. Or I'm going to mix with my hands. And you can on these you can get super rare one, as I said, and a rare one. But I wanted to get super rare, but I never got it. Oh, I didn't show you guys what I got, did I? And I'll show you at the end. I might put the toy in, you never know. And now we're gonna mix all together. Dun dun dun. Now we're going to be mixing. I decided to mix, instead of all of them together, because they might make light brown, we're going to mix the green and the blue, and the orange, and the pink. I don't really want to mix the orange and the pink. Actually, oh no, okay, yeah. So, I'm going to use this after I mix it. So, we're going to use this bowl. First, we're going to do the green and the blue. So this is the green. It turned out good this round. And it's the seriously. It doesn't. It stretches though. Now we're gonna mix together, mix everywhere, mix together. What was that? Oh, and by the way, guys, we're in London. I don't know what it's going to make. This is all I can mix. It's pretty nice. It's quite sticky. This is that green and the blue. Pink time. I'm going to do the orange first. Woo! Anyway. Freeze. This slime is quite nice though. It's not pokey. I don't know what's gonna make. Here goes pink. Bye-bye. Oh, this is turning out nice. Oh, it's going to turn out orange. And it's not going to stick to each other, see? It's not good at all. This is the good slime. What does pink make? It's not sticking together. Fail. Very good. Bad fail. At least that slime turned out great. I'm going to add all these together. It will make brown. I wonder if it makes brown. That doesn't mix at all. Woo! This is nice. This is what it turned out to be. The sparkles in. Her face. My mum's videoing, by the way. I added a lot of glitter. Might as well add in all of it. It stretches, but not that much. We might need a bit more. Oh, see what I was going to say. Can we add in Orbeez? I want to add in Orbeez. I'm going to add in a little bit of Orbeez. And also, we might need the key. There it is. Oh, it smells so nice. Ew. This did not work out pink and orange. Slob. Anyway, key time. And by the way, when you get this, you can screw this lid off and put the key in there and twist it and open. It up. And this is where I get my beauty, my beauty, my booty, my booty, my beauty, my beauty, my booty, my booty. I'm weird. I'm just going to pour some in the bowl. That's it. Now this is going back in. Some bounces out. Just one more handful. Oh, it's very watery. Oh, this is turning out good. It's turning out like a pink slob. Bye-bye, guys. Let me just clear this out the way. Bye. And you take the key back out so it can. And you can open this and smell it. And it's scented. Let me just put this back on. This is done. In this. Back to this. We're gonna pour in the Orbeez. This is what it looks like. Queen full of Orbeez in there. Come on, little guy. Orbeez do that. And now I'm going to stretch the slime and put it on top. The slime and on top. No, guy, you can't escape. No, 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 no. The Orbeez are coming out. Oh, no. You serious? There's still some in there. And the Orbeez do come out though, sadly. Anyway, you can still see the pink, but not that much because there's just like a line of it. You can see. We might mix this to this. We never know. My mom's saying no, but I'm saying yes. This is what it looks like when you put the orange over it. If there's anything you want to see, comment down below and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Dun 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 dun.